Hey people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis Malaya. Today we are going to be unboxing as well as setting up the brand new Fitbit Charge 4. Now you're gonna have to excuse my nails and my hands. Anxiety is whooping my ass and my nail lady is closed. So anyway, I just got this in the mail. It's the brand, like I said, it's the brand new Fitbit Charge 4. It has heart rate, Fitbit Pay, which is new. It's got to be newer because I know that my Charge 2 didn't have it. A sleep score, battery life for up to 7 days, as well as a built-in GPS. And then there's other features on the back. And included as well, it has small and large sizes for the wristbands. So let's open it up. So you know I'm ghetto. I'm just gonna take a knife and turn it. Oh, well, that's convenient. No ghetto-ness needed. You just take the tab right there and open it up. Pull from the bottom. You can open it like that. It also has a tab right here. Beautiful. And as you can see right here, there's the Fitbit right there. And we'll take that out. I like that it has these tabs right here. So you can just pull it right out. I'll put that right there. We also have, let's see what else is in the box. We have a little welcome to the Fitbit family card. We have an extra wristband. That's how it looks. Let's see what type of charger. You know, every generation they give us a different charger. The instruction manual also comes with it. I'm going to put that to the side. Let's see what type of charger we have. Okay, so it looks very similar to the Charge 3. It may actually be the same one. Some length, it's probably like about, I don't know, a foot, a little over a foot. It's got the two clamps, two prongs in there. So, take this off. Here's how it looks. Same diamond design. And this is really sleek. This is very sleek. Button on the side. It's just a haptic feedback. So I'm going to set it up for you. We're going to go into the, where's my damn Fitbit app? Oh, the Fitbit app. I'm going to go to there. We are going to, oh, I just re-downloaded the app. We'll actually go back. We'll go to set up a device. Charge 4 right there. Advanced tracker. I'm gonna go to set up, blah blah blah, accept, and then it says charge your Charge 4. Let the device charge before setup. We're gonna go to OK. So it came on, it had a little smiley face, and then it says go to fitbit.com/setup, but you know, then there it is. It's giving me a code to put in, a little access pin number. So we're gonna put that in. Put that in. It's connecting. The connection and the setup is always the slowest part. Okay, so it's connected. Pairing request, it would like to pair with your iPhone. You're gonna hit pair, allow for notifications. I'm not gonna update now. I'm gonna go to remind me later. And then I'll try it on in a second. Location, I'll allow it for now. And then it says you can swipe up for sleep and steps. Next, just giving like a little tutorial. The haptic button on the side, you can swipe. Next, swipe left. Then it's giving us some product care tips. Clean your band and wrist regularly with a soap-free cleanser. If it gets wet, dry it off and take breaks, because it will, even though they say it may cause some irritation if you wear it continuously for 24 hours. And then we're going to go to done. This is offering a premium extended hour trial. Maybe later. Can I do this later? There we go. So then you can go back to your profile. Anyway, so let's cut this on. So here it is. It gives us the time, the date. Let's see what else we can do. Okay, you can swipe up. It's got steps, how many steps you took out of that hour. Let's see. Let's press. Oh, so pressing on and off just gives that. And then let's see if we can swipe. Okay. Ooh, it's got the agenda this time. That's cool. We got the exercise. Come on. We got the agenda. We've got the relax, you know, when you can do meditation and breaths. We've got timer, alarms, weather, and then we have settings. Let's see what's in the settings. Brightness, vibration, heart rate, do not disturb. Okay. Notifications about sleep. Yep, and that takes you back. When you press the button, it'll take you back. Let's swipe over. We have alarms. You can tap to set up a new alarm. The weather, I'll have to tap to set that up for my location. Relax, you can set it for 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, let's try 5 minutes. Be still, take slow, deep breaths. Okay, we'll do all that later. We'll relax later. Timer, it's got a stopwatch or a countdown. And then exercise modes, you can run, come on and off. Okay, so you can turn the GPS on and off, bike, swim, treadmill. Okay, and then on the agenda, you can sync calendars. So I've got it pretty much all. Oh, and it's got my heart rate, resting, calories burned, steps, data. Got my female tracker right there, which is off, by the way. Then water, drink, and then how many days you've exercised out of your set goal, your weight. So I think it's so, I'm gonna try it on my wrist. It's very sleek. It lays right on the wrist. So I give it about 2 fingers fold. I think it's very nice. I like it. And then you're supposed to be able to, yeah, you can tap it so it can come back on. My heart is racing right now, as you all can see. So yeah, that is my review and setup. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.